Mastering baseball pitching mechanics.
Improving your pitching mechanics is key for better accuracy and avoiding injury. This guide will share practical steps to refine your throwing motion, boost consistency, and protect your arm. Whether you're a beginner or sharpening advanced skills, these tips can help you pitch with more confidence and control.
Understanding proper pitching posture.
Start with a strong foundation by focusing on your posture. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and weight balanced. Keep your head steady and eyes on the target. Good posture sets the stage for fluid movement and helps maintain control throughout your pitch.
Efficient windup and leg drive.
Your windup and leg drive create power and rhythm in your delivery. Begin with a simple, repeatable motion. As you lift your front leg, stay balanced without leaning back or tipping forward. Drive off the mound with your back leg, transferring energy through your hips and core. This movement helps generate velocity safely.
Arm action and release point.
Focus on smooth arm action and a consistent release point. Bring your throwing arm up and back in a relaxed circular path. Keep your elbow at or slightly above shoulder height. Strive to release the ball in front of your body, aiming for the same release point every time to improve both speed and accuracy while reducing arm strength.
Follow through for injury prevention.
A balanced follow-through helps protect your arm and aids control. After releasing the ball, let your arm continue its natural downward motion. Finish with your chest over your front knee and your back leg swinging forward. This motion reduces stress on your shoulder and elbow, promoting healthier mechanics in the long run.
Practicing and refining your mechanics.
Consistent practice is essential to improve your pitching mechanics. Work on drills that isolate specific movements, such as balance, arm path, and follow-through. Record your sessions or ask for feedback from a coach. Small adjustments made regularly lead to lasting improvements in accuracy and reduced risk of injury.